Today, I'm visiting El Pollo Fino in Anaheim, California. They specialize in pollo al carbón, which is charbroiled chicken. Let's check it out. This small business is right off the 91 freeway. It was so easy to get here. The menu offers a variety of Mexican dishes. To drink, I had a tamarindo jarritos, and from the aguas frescas, I had a cucumber lemonade. The chicken is well seasoned and charbroiled to perfection. They have other meats like asada and a few side dishes like frijoles, whole beans or refried beans, rice, nopales, which is a cactus salad, and more. This is my combo plate. I think it's time to make TikToks. I love that crispy skin on the chicken. Oh my god, it's so good.
I'm a beat that boy with a bat. Smack! Smack!
Damn, sorry I blew you off. I'm staying lunch with Microsoft.
I followed my nose into El Pollo Fino in Anaheim. They have been serving the best charbroiled chicken since 1983. Order cheesy nachos, a combo plate, chicken wings, or your favorite Mexican dish. Chef's kiss! Mwah! Check out the loaded nachos. They are cheesy, meaty, and so tasty. They make the chips in-house, and just about everything is made in-house. It's so tasty. This is something I would order every time I come here. I just love nachos, and these are so good. As you can see, I'm still recording short videos at the restaurant. I find it very challenging to talk and eat and record all at once, so I prefer to do these voiceovers. The food at El Pollo Fino is utterly authentic. As I was eating, I thought, wow, this tastes like my mom's food. The beans, the rice, the chicken, the salsa. I mean, of course my mom didn't come here and make it, but it's so nice to be able to go out and feel like you're eating a home-cooked meal made by your mom. And yes, my mom is an amazing cook. Shout out to mommy! I don't know about you, but there is no such thing as too much salsa. Here, I'm eating the chicken by itself because it's so flavorful, it's moist and tender, and honestly, I thought I'd cut back on the tortillas because a girl has to watch her figure. Okay, so I made one taco. I was very happy with my food. I want to visit again. Are you ready for a tasteful escape? P.S. Sorry for leaving the ring light on throughout the whole video. Halfway through, I realized that the light directly above me was off. Instead of having them turn on the light, I just decided to leave it alone and roll with it. So this is what I got. Until next time.